Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to see onion sites.
What are onion sites? Onion sites, aka Tor sites, are websites only accessible on the dark web. You can't view them using a regular browser. Their URLs have .onion as the domain, instead of the common surface web domains like .com or .net. Onion sites are considered hidden in the deep web, and they use Tor to encrypt connections to them, keeping visitors and the site creators anonymous. How do onion sites work? When you try to connect to a .onion website, your traffic gets routed around the internet, bouncing 3 times to random servers before it reaches your destination website. Each server adds a layer of encryption, and these layers give rise to the name the onion router. This is also why the sites on the dark web are called Tor links. There are at least 3 hops your data travels through. The entry node, which inevitably knows your IP address. The middle, or relay, node, which prevents the exit node from finding out which entry node you used and makes it very hard to correlate this information. The exit node, which knows what site you are connecting to, but does not know who you are. The 3 nodes separate your IP address from your destination and enable 2 individuals to communicate without either party, or any middleman, knowing who the other is.
How to access onion sites on your computer. Download Tor browser from here. Install Tor browser on your computer by opening the file you downloaded and following the prompts. Open Tor browser, click Connect on the Tor startup page. Wait for a connection to be established. Surf the dark web. On Android, download the Tor browser app from here. Open Tor browser, click Connect. Once a connection is established, you should see an onion icon in your status bar. Start exploring. On iOS, download Onion browser from the App Store. Open Onion browser, click Connect to Tor. Once connected, click Next to configure your security level. Insecure, moderate, secure. Click Start browsing. You're in. Links for Onion browsers. Thank you guys.